Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I personally send an e-transfer using the RBC Mobile application. So once I open up the RBC app, I head over to the bottom right and tap on Move Money. From there, I select Interact e-transfer. Once I'm on that page, I tap on Send an e-transfer. From here, I choose the account I want to send money from, enter the amount, and select the recipient. I can also choose how they'll be notified, either by email or SMS, and add a message if I want. After that, I just review everything and continue to complete the transfer. I personally like how fast and simple this process is. It makes sending money really convenient anytime I need it. So yeah, that's exactly how I send an e-transfer using the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.